slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, Let's go.
I will never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll show up. I don't wanna be this, I'ma never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. I'll always show up for a minute. I'm gonna put my job, cashier for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
I can gas, think I'm okay and that, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the
pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind the fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it, I'm patient.